nicer though.
Yes, it is, but it's...
This is a sight you don't see every day.
I have no aversion to oil, so I like it.
You have to swing about and get me in my old chair. Reading Leaves of Grass by Walt Whitman. And then you have to go find Matthew cooking in his own clean kitchen.
He's running.
Uh-oh.
He's evaporated. He's disappeared. Good looking food.
And you have to incorporate the odors.
Yeah.
Say what he's making.
Well, there's the Lady of Shalott with garlic, and he's making lamb and chicken shish kebabs. And there's some mushrooms being chopped up there. And we've had some cheese on crackers and bread, and some really good olives.
Cheese with truffles.
With truffles in it, yes. And we had olives, and there's still olives there. I have to stay away or I'll eat more. And tomatoes too. Good stuff.